Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera. Okay, let's continue our discussion on the section B. Right? Okay, so we go to the question 1. Okay. Compare and contrast between animal cell and plant cell. Alright, so when the question write about the compare and contrast, so you have to give the similarities and also differences. Right, similarities and differences because of the 6 marks. So you have to get about 2 similarity and 4 differences. Okay, example of the similarities. Yeah, example of answer that you can write. Okay, first, both have nucleus, both have plasma membrane, both have cytoplasm, both have ribosome, and also you can say any organelle. Yeah, so but you have to write both. Right, in front of the sentence, you have to write both. Okay, do not combine all the organelle in the one sentence. Yes, you have to write in a different point. Alright, okay, that is referred to the similarities. Okay, differences. So you have to give about 4 or 5 differences. Okay, you have to so you have to build 2 columns for animal cell and also plant cell. And then you have to give the difference. Yeah, okay, difference. For example, does not has cell wall, has cell wall. Okay, this one considered as 1 mark. Yeah, okay, 1 mark. And then the second characteristic, does not has fixed shape, while the plant cell has a fixed shape. Right, okay, 1 mark, another 1 mark. And then the third one, animal cell does not has chloroplast, plant cell has chloroplast, another 1 mark. And then does not has vacuole, has vacuole, 1 mark. And last one, food is stored in the form of the glycogen, yeah, in animal cell. For the plant cell, food is stored in the form of starch. Okay, so you will have to write 4 points. Alright, okay, so you will get 6 marks. Okay, let's go to the next question. Question 2. A student found the end of his fingers wrinkled after long bathing in the sea. Okay, predict what happens to the cell of the student's finger. Explain your answer. Okay, so because of the finger is a human cell, same as like the animal cell. Okay, what happened when we immerse the animal cell in the seawater? Yeah. Okay, seawater is hypertonic. Yeah, remember seawater is hypertonic. Why hypertonic? Because the seawater contain a lot of salt. Yeah, salt refer to the solute. Right. Okay, so what is the answer? What happened to the cell? The cell of finger undergo crenation. Right? Okay, crenation. Seawater is hypertonic to the finger cell. Water diffuses out from the finger cells by osmosis. Okay, so you will get 2 marks. Yeah, right? Okay, that's all for the question 2. Okay, question 3. Diagram 5 shows the structure of the plasma membrane of a cell. Right, okay, so this is referred to the plasma membrane of a cell. So you have to observe carefully all the structures given in the diagram 5. So this is referred to the phospholipid bilayer. So S refer to the phospholipid bilayer. Yeah, phospholipid bilayer. And R is referred to the channel protein. Okay, why channel protein? Because got channel here. Yeah, okay, got channel here. And then this one refer to the carrier protein. Yeah, carrier protein. Okay, we go to the question A. Based on diagram 5, explain the part labeled S. Right, so you have to give the name of the S. S is a phospholipid bilayer. Phospholipid bilayer has hydrophilic head. Yeah, hydrophilic head. Okay, so this is the head of the phospholipid, which is hydrophilic. What is hydrophilic? Hydrophilic refer to the it love water, like water. Right. Okay, next, has hydrophobic tail. Yeah, has hydro. Okay, I repeat. The next point is phospholipid bilayer has hydrophobic tail. Yeah, has hydrophobic tail. So this is the tail of the phospholipid, okay, which is hydrophobic. Yeah, hydro refer to the water, phobic refer to the phobia or don't like water. Okay, so next question, question 3b. Okay, explain two transport process which involve the part label R and T. Yeah, which involve the part label R and T. As I said before, so R is referred to the channel protein, and then T is referred to the carrier protein. So you have to explain two types of the transport process. Okay, so please remember that transport process can be divided into two types. Yeah, okay, the bigger picture of the transport process is only two types. Okay, what are they? Passive transport and also active transport. Alright, okay. And then in the passive transport, there are three types of the passive transport. Okay, what are they? Simple diffusion, osmosis, and also facilitated diffusion. Yeah, but in active transport, it's just one active transport. Okay, so you have to explain, yeah, explain about the passive transport and also active transport. Yeah, because both of these transport involve the channel protein and also the carrier protein. Okay, so let's go to the answer. Passive transport. Okay, when you mention the passive transport, you will get 1 mark. Okay, and then involve channel protein and also carrier protein, another 1 mark. Okay, substance move from higher concentration area to low concentration area, or you can just write down the concentration gradient. Yeah, substance move down the concentration gradient. That is 1 mark. Then it is no no energy needed here. Yeah, okay, no energy needed here. Right. Okay, so that is another 1 mark. Okay, because of the 4 marks given in the question, so when you explain the two type of the transport, so you have to mention 2 points for the passive transport and another 2 points for the active transport. Okay, next we go to the active transport. Okay, you have to mention active transport, you will get 1 mark. Okay, and then second point, involve carrier protein only. Yeah, involve carrier protein only. And then okay, substance move from low concentration area to higher concentration area, or you can just write substances move against the concentration gradient. And last one is energy is needed. Right, okay, so this is suggestion answer. Right, so I want you to copy all the important point there. Okay, next we go to the next question. Question 3c. Explain how the following molecules pass through the plasma membrane. Okay, water, vitamin K, and sodium ions. Okay, water, it will move by osmosis, right? Okay, so this is referred to the sample answer. 1. Water molecules move by osmosis. Okay, 1 mark. It move from, so the water move from higher potential of water to a lower potential of water. Okay, another 1 mark here. Next, we go to the vitamin K. So vitamin K it is a lipid soluble molecule. So it can pass through the phospholipid bilayer freely. Yeah, okay, freely. So vitamin K pass through the simple by simple diffusion, 1 mark. Okay, because it is lipid soluble molecule, 1 mark. Okay, vitamin K move from higher concentration area to a lower concentration area. Right. Okay, so make sure you write in the full sentence. Do not write like this. You have to write in the full sentence. For example, vitamin K pass through by simple division because, okay, so just continue, because it is a lipid soluble molecule. Then vitamin K move from higher concentration area to a lower concentration area. Okay, we go to the third one, sodium ion. Sodium ions, it is ions, yeah. It will pass through by active transport, yeah, by active transport. Sodium ion move from lower concentration area to a higher concentration area, and the energy is needed. So please memorize example of the ions that move by active transport. Yeah, example sodium ion, potassium ion, yeah, protons, yeah, hydrogen ion. Yeah, hydrogen ion. Okay, there are examples of the active transport. Okay, so that's all for the discussion in the paper 2, ujian pemesanan biology. I hope you all can understand very well, and please answer by following the correct way. Alright, okay, see you again in the next video for our next lesson. Okay, girls, bye, take care.